Hey guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela WebDev. So now we have successfully completed these all the concepts. So now in this video we will learn about the navigate hook. So what about this? What is this navigate hook? For example, let's say that right now we are having map here, right? So in the white background we are having a map. So when I click on this map anywhere in the map, let's assume that I need to show the what I want to say is a form. Whenever I click on this one, I need to show a form here so that we can add the city details inside this one. So for the time being, what I will try to do is, so here when we don't have map right now, so whenever I click on this map, or otherwise whenever I click on this area, I need to show the what I want to say is a map, the form here. So for this one, what we need to do is, first of all we need to create the form. So let's create the form here. So for this one, let's go to the app.jsx file. In this app.jsx file, so here, so whenever the user goes, so route path is equal to add city. Let's assume add city. So whenever the user types add city, I need to load the element. Let's create the add city.jsx file in the pages. So here I will be creating a new file, add city.jsx, and here I will also create another one that is nothing but add city.module.css. That's it. So in this add city, export, let's minify this one, export default function add city, and I will return this code. So here add city, and here spelling mistake, default, okay, and here I can import styles from add city.module.css. that's it. So now we have created this form, and let's go to the app.jsx thing. So here what I will try to do is, add city is there, right? And here I need to add the add city. Let's remove this one, city, okay. And now here, so let's close this. So add city. Now whenever I click on this one, I need to show this add city, or otherwise if you try to see app/add city, you will be able to see this add city. Here we are able to show in the outlet. Now whenever I am clicking on this one, so I need to show this add city. So that means programmatic navigation I need to do. So for this one, we need to move to the map container, and in this map container, whenever I click on this one, so I need to show it. So here what I will do is, so here I will click in such a way that on click, okay, I will do on click form. So I will add a method show form. So for this one, function show form, and here what I will do is, when I click on this show form, so let's try to show form, and here we need to navigate this one to the app/add city. When I click here, I need to navigate it to the app/add city. So for this one, we need to add the hook constant navigate is equal to useNavigate hook. So we need to use the useNavigate hook. This should be imported from the React router DOM, you need to remember. And here I can write in such a way that navigate, so where I need to navigate to the app, you can write it like this, to the app/add city. So this is the method, right? So now here we can use it like this. Now when I click here, now it is not transforming. So let's refresh this page, why it is not doing. So if I click on this one, it should do it. So it should do it. So when I click on this one, it is not doing. Why? Because let's try to inspect the element and see so what it is happening. So here this is our div, right? And inside this div we are having div. Okay, this div is taking only the content, how much it is there, that much height only it is taking. Okay, so I will write here the style, inline style, and height is equal to 100%. Oh sorry, I think this one matters. I think, yeah, now it is taking the total height. Now let's click on this one. Automatically we are able to see this add city, and the URL also has been changed. So let's create a form here, okay, so that we can have a clear understanding. So let's create the form here. So I am going into the add city, and here I will be creating the form. So here let's, yeah, so I will do form. Inside this one I will have one div, and here I will be having one label, okay, city. I will add it. So basic thing I am doing. So I will go to the div, and here we can have an input type is equal to text, okay, and here I will be having another div, and I will be having another label notes. If you want to write any notes, you can have a notes. And here we will be having another div. I will take the text area, that's it. So this is the basic thing, and here we will be having a div, okay, two buttons we will be having, button, add city, and the another one is back, okay. So these are the two buttons which will be having. Now here we will be having class name is equal to styles dot add city container. We'll have it like this, container. Now let's go into the here, and for this one I will give something text align left, okay, so that all the things will be in the left, okay. And here margin of auto I will give it like this, and width of around 200 pixel. So now we got it as in like this. And in the add city container, okay, and we will be having all the, and here we will be having class is equal to d-flex class name. It should be not class. This is the one thing which I will be confusing all the time, yeah. And here I don't know whether it will have or not, justify hyphen content hyphen. So we don't have these things. So let's try to add another class. So if you are having a dynamic class, and like this means what you can do it is, we can add it in such a way that class name, and here you can have like this d-flex, and another one what we can do it is dollar of styles dot buttons, okay. So here what I can do is, here in this one dot buttons, so here you can use justify hyphen content space between, so that it will come side by side. And in this add city container input we are having it, right? So in this input what I can do is, so what are the input you are having, width of 100%, okay, and text area also. So in this one comma text area we will try to do comma text area. I'm not concentrating more on this one. So that's it. So this is our city form. So if I click on this back, I need to go move back to my original one, that is nothing but cities from where we have came. So for this one what we can do is, for this back, on click, okay, sorry, on click is equal to on back, okay. So we'll type this command, and we'll be having here function on back, and here navigate, sorry, we will use a constant navigate is equal to useNavigate. So done, this is also done. And here navigate of slash app slash, sorry, navigate of -1, we can use the -1, so that means one step back it will go. So here we will be having app slash cities, okay. So now when you are getting this one, so here when I click on this one, so it will go to here like this, and when I click on the back, automatically it will go back to the original one. So here you are getting refreshed. Why? Because so here this is a button, it's a form button, right? So you can use e.prevent default, we can use it like this. And if you go back to the app slash cities, you'll go back to the app slash cities, okay. And if I click on this one, you'll be able to see here, and if I click here, we go back to the cities. So fine. Now we are having one issue. So when I click on this app, we are able to go to the app, and when I click here like this and back, we are able to go to the app. So these two are one and the same only, app/app/cities, and now the cities is not selecting when we are showing the cities. So for this one, what we can do is in our app.js, we can use as something as a redirection thing. So we can use this index element. So instead of loading this cities list, I can use the navigate. Okay, so component, so it should be imported from the React router DOM, and to where it needs to navigate to cities. Okay, to cities, and we need to replace it, so it should not store it in the where it should not store it. So now if you try to see app, if I am trying to get it, so app/cities, it is redirecting. It should not store in the history background. Why? Because when I click here, it will have a redirect loop. Now if I click on the back, again it is moving back to the cities. So this is how the useNavigate hook will be very useful in our React router thing. Hope you understood about this concept. So what I will try to do is I will create the branch from here. That is nothing but video-132. So most probably 20 to 30 videos will come, and we will close this session React.js. So most probably like that only. And here video-132, and I will commit this entire code. So that is nothing but useNavigate hook. So afterwards, so I will take a break after 20 to 30 videos after completing this project. So you'll learn some use context. These all things we'll learn, and afterwards we will start. We'll do some other course, and afterwards we will start with Redux things. We'll start a course with Redux, and afterwards we'll do with React query. Like that, slowly we will do it. So going on with the with the same concept to so many days means it will be bored for you also. So that is the reason. So that's it, guys, about this one. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.